This graph is for perfect competition, and what we're going to try to figure out is, given a particular price and cost structure for the firm, what is going to be our profit maximizing output, and if we're earning an economic profit or not. So let's say that the price is $16. And remember, in perfect competition, the firm is a price taker, which means they can sell all they want for the given market price. And also, whatever our price is also our marginal revenue information. I can sell the first unit for $16, I can sell the second one for $16, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one. I can sell all I want at $16, so my price is also my marginal revenue. And to find my profit maximizing output for any type of industry, I'm going to find the place where marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. Okay, so let's say the price is $16. So what we're going to do is we're going to say our marginal revenue curve is going to be horizontal at that price. So we're going to say my marginal revenue curve is right here. So to find my profit maximizing output, I'm going to find where my marginal revenue curve intersects my marginal cost curve. At that point, okay, I find that point where they intersect. I bring this down. My profit maximizing output is going to be 35 units. Okay, we're just going to draw this line straight across. We're going to find where they two intersect. That's going to give us our profit maximizing output. Now, is this firm in economic profit, economic loss, or are they earning zero economic profit? Well, this line tells us how much we're earning per unit, $16. This ATC curve, or the average total cost curve that we learned about in Chapter 11, that tells us what does each unit cost us to produce. So I'm getting $16, and right here, if we pull this over, it's a little more than 12. Each unit is costing me to produce a little more than $12. So I'm earning just under $4 a unit profit. So if the price line or the marginal revenue line is above this average total cost curve, then we are earning an economic profit. So at $16 we are earning an economic profit. Okay, well, let's say then that the price falls to $12. Okay, so now we have a new marginal revenue line. Okay, if the price is now $12, okay, we want to find our profit maximizing output. We're going to always do that where marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. This is my marginal revenue line. This is my marginal cost. Here is that point. Okay, so we bring that down. So my profit maximizing output now is 30 units. Now at this point, okay, my marginal revenue, how much do I get every unit I sell? $12. Okay, and then my average total cost curve tells me how much it costs me to produce each unit, and that's $12 as well. So at this point, at $12, we have zero economic profit. We have zero economic profit. Up here we had economic profit with the 35 units when the price was $16. Here we have zero economic profit. Okay, so let's see one more. Let's say the price is $10. Let's say the price drops down to $10. So here we have marginal revenue is $10. We're going to find the profit maximizing point always where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. Okay, here's my marginal revenue line we just drew. Here's my marginal cost. So here's the point where those two intersect. So we bring that down, and now our profit maximizing output is 25 units. Okay, now in this circumstance, okay, I'm getting $10 for each unit that I produce, and to find out how much each unit's costing me, I have to come up here to my average average total cost curve. So it's costing me a little more than $12 to produce it, but I'm only getting $10. So at this level, we now have what's called economic losses. We have economic losses at $10. Okay? This point right here, that's called our shutdown point. The minimum point on the average variable cost curve is called our shutdown point, because at this point, if the price goes any lower, we're going to shut down instantly. This is our shutdown point. Okay, so here we have economic profit. Here we have zero economic profit, which is our long run equilibrium. And here we have economic losses, and this point right here is called our shutdown point. We will not produce below this point ever. If the price ever drops below 8, we're closing the doors instantly.